Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to prepare your personal cash flow using Excel. I'm going to use the currency as dollars. Before that, we need to assume that we getting paid every 14 days. Let's say fortnightly. Let's assume. So let's see, I got paid today for 2020. So then I will getting paid again 14 days later. So add 14 days, and I'm gonna copy the same formula for next of few weeks. Then I will get total. Right, so type the main income, other income sources, total income. Let me say total inflow. Get the total, and then the payments. Home loans, credit card, and the utilities. I'm gonna type electricity, water, gas, phone charges, vehicle fuel, and repair and other expenses. You can type anything what you are planning to pay next few weeks or months. That's it. So you're getting fortnightly 1750, and income every week $100. So I'm going to copy every week $100, and 1750. This is the net payment. I'm getting paid every fortnightly, so I'm going to copy week after week, every fortnight. Sorry, I would say every fortnight I'm getting another income $100, so the total income will be total net income, and I will get the total of end of this period. I will get 11,100. So I'm gonna select it, put the comma star. Alright, the next one, I'm gonna pay for home loan, let's say 750, credit card 150, 40, go 75 of the expense number. And I'm gonna copy same thing to in here, because I'm gonna pay every fortnight the same thing. If you are planning any other payments, like let's say I'm gonna include another column. Let's say I have a personal loan. So I will pay next week $500, week after and again 500, 2 weeks later again $500, and again $500. So my total, this is my total expenses. Then we'll get a net cash inflow or outflow. I'm gonna put all the negative figures in red colors, so then you can easily see. So total income minus expenses. Sorry, I forgot to put the total on these cells. So right, again same thing, I'm gonna put the comma here and same formula in here. Right, I will put the phrase, then you can easily see under the table. Alright, so you got net inflow 2310. Let's say you got extra payments of you got an unexpected payment next fortnight, let's say $1,000. Let's say you borrow someone, you have to pay something to get something, you know, and so your outflow, your payment exceeding your income, but that fortnight. So to get the minus figures, select the cells, go to the format cells, go to the numbers, and you can select the red colors. If it is minus, the red colors. Alright, and balance cash in hand. Go to home. I will highlight that area, equal. So each and every fortnight you can see how much this plus this. So here you can see, so the next fortnight you will be out of $130. So you have to manage this $100 payment. Either you can reduce one of these payments, or talk to the credit card holders and reduce this $100, or one of the payment you can cut down. For example, you can reduce the credit card payment $50, and let's say the photo bills you can pay next week later. So you got $30, another payment you reduce to, so you got $20 in hand. Also you can manage some other payments in here. So try to manage these things, and end of the thing you have, end of the period you have $1,510 in your hand. So while managing like this, you can pay all the bills and the loans, credit cards and everything on time. Once you get in pay, you can pay the whole same day or the next day. You can pay everything, and keep the money. For example, this fortnight you can keep aside the $785, keep aside, or keep different saving accounts, and the next fortnight you can arrange other payments like this one. Alright, so that's it. This is this really simple format for manage your personal money. So hope this will use for day-to-day activities and manage your family income and expenses. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much.